So the next examples that we're going to be looking at come from page 6, number 1 and 2. We need to try and find out the value of x, which is the side of a triangle. However, it's the side of triangle CBD, which is an obtuse triangle, which means we can't use the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle right here. However, the strategy is going to be to first find the length of side M, okay, so BA in triangle BAD or DAB. And then once we know that amount, we can then figure out, well, we don't have to do it first, but then we can next find the length of DAC in triangle DAC, that vertical, which we'll call N, and then we subtract the two of them. So the first, like I said, 5 squared plus M squared is going to equal 11 squared in this triangle. We will go through the work, we get 9.8. Then we'd look at the bigger triangle, DAC, and we're going to go 5 squared plus N squared, the whole vertical, equals 15 squared. Now, you might realize at this point, this thing is not drawn to scale. That's okay though, okay? We're just going to go with the numbers that are there. So 5 squared plus N squared is equal to 15 squared. We work down to find out the value of N, 14.14. And to find out the final answer, you simply subtract the length of CA, which is N, and subtract the length of AB, which is the M, 9.80. Okay, and you get your answer. For number 2, we have a different kind of situation because here you're looking for a hypotenuse. And same deal, you can't use triangle CDB for the Pythagorean theorem because it's an obtuse triangle. No right angle there. However, there are two right triangles in this picture. There's triangle CAD or DAC and triangle BAC. These are overlapping triangles. So step 1, I'm going to try and do the one that I think is probably the hardest to see because you've got to look at the entire triangle. BAC is going to be M squared, which is the full length of that base, plus 5 squared equals the hypotenuse 13 squared. Now this is a Pythagorean triple, 5, 12, 13, so it worked out very nice. Now that we know the length of M is 12, you can go 12 minus 7 to figure out the length of N, which is going to be 5. Again, not drawn to scale because this 5 for AD, it looks a lot shorter than the side AC. However, we can find this hypotenuse of triangle CAD by doing 5 squared plus 5 squared and determining using the Pythagorean theorem that it is 7.07 centimeters. Hopefully this is very clear to you.